Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to play Ubisoft Connect Games Offline. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft Connect application. If you're having struggles with that, we have a lot of videos on our channel about Ubisoft, so you can check out that also. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the left side of the screen we have your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. The download manager in the bottom left corner, and the top right corner we have subscribe to Ubisoft Plus. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and play Ubisoft Connect Games Offline. So open Ubisoft Connect and click on the main menu. So here in the top left corner and the three dots, and click on go offline. So you can click on there, click profile, click here, and here you can go and click that you're online. Then once you're in the offline mode, you can launch and play your Ubisoft Connect games without an internet connection. This way you can enjoy your games even when you're not connected to the internet. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.